Okay, everybody, this is going to be balancing chemical reactions. I had a few people request that I do a video on balancing chemical reactions, and so I thought I would. They're one of my favorite things to do. They're kind of like little puzzles, and they can really trip you up. Now, I'm going to throw out this disclaimer. This is the first time that I've balanced these chemical reactions right in front of me. I have not done this prior to, okay, I've balanced plenty of chemical reactions in my day, don't get me wrong, but I've not done these ones prior to shooting this video. So here we go, we're just going to jump into it. So you're going to actually legitimately get to see my thought process working through this. That's part of the reason why I didn't do it beforehand, because I wanted you guys to actually see how I'm thinking when I go about this. So I was going to do this in Sharpie, but I think it will be better if I do it in pencil. Just hopefully you guys can see. I'll just try and talk through what I'm doing, which is what I always do. And this time I'm not going to move the page, so hopefully you can see everything. I've marked where the page needs to be, so we should be good. Alrighty, here we go. So the first thing I like to do when I balance chemical reaction is I like to list this pencil, of course, I grab the pencil that is all messed up. There we go. I like to write down all the atoms that I have in the chemical equation. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Don't do that. I don't want to put down like that. PO4. Now, the reason... Oh, wow, I can't do that this time, can I? Wow, look at that. I can't. Okay. Remember in recitation I said usually when you see PO4 you can lump it together and it's fine. Can't do that this time because notice you don't have the PO4 left on this side of the equation. It goes to PO3. So we actually have to write it out separately. This is a case when that happens. So, you know, this is me doing this for the first time for you guys. So this is pretty exciting. Alright, so now let's go ahead and count. So we got 1 sodium. We have 2 hydrogens. We have 1 phosphorus and 4 oxygens. I just counted, right? So you can see where I got those numbers. Let's see, what else? We've got 1 sodium on this side. We've got 2 hydrogens on this side. And we've got 1 phosphorus and 4. Wait a second. Troll phase. Okay. That's funny. This is what happens when you get stuff like this off the internet. This one's already balanced. Boom, boom, boom. That was real hard. That was real tricky. I got these offline. I searched a list of unbalanced chemical equations, and I think it ranks them in difficulty. And so obviously this one was super easy. Yeah, that is hilarious. Okay, well this one is already balanced. That's funny. Yeah, troll face. So just go ahead and write this right here. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't look at that. I'm supposed to write derp right there. So first you derp, then you herp, or whatever it goes. Okay, so don't listen to me right now. Let's do the next one. Hopefully we won't run into the same problem because that didn't show you anything. Let's go ahead and do this. So we've got hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. We've got 2, 1, and 3. And we've got 2. Oh my gosh, what the hell? What the hell's going on? What is this? What is going on? What is this? See, I should have done this before I started recording. This is like bloopers. Well, this is awkward. Let's move on. This is really silly. Okay, so this is why Google can sometimes fail you. So don't just Google everything. Look at it first, like I just clearly didn't. Let's do this next one. I'm pretty sure I'm feeling better about this one. This one looks like it's gonna work out. So what the what what's going what is going on? What is this? What is this? What is going on? What is going on? These examples are off their rockers. They're just trolling. Okay. That's awkward. Everybody leave that in the comments so I know you watched this video. Hashtag awkward. Okay, let's try this again. We've got calcium. We've got oxygen. We've got hydrogen. Okay. Oh, that's not calcium. Sorry, that's calcium. And we've got carbon. Ooh, okay, let's see. We got 1. We've got 4. It's 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2, 4. And then I've got 2 hydrogens. And then I've got 1 carbon. We've got 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Boom. Finally we can do one. Here we go. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times 1 is 2. Boom. Okay. Now we can balance. Finally. Okay. Jeez. Okay. So let's go ahead and jump into this real quick. First things first. Notice we've got mismatch on carbons and mismatch on oxygen. So I don't know what to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 2 right here. I'm going to multiply. Hopefully you can see that. This pencil's not very dark. 2. And so that's going to put this to 2. It's going to put this to 6, right? 2 times, yeah, 2 times 4. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. And that one is really, really easy. Crap. Okay, well, there you go, you guys. That's how you balance chemical equations. That is hilarious. I'm going to make another video, but I'm going to post this one anyways because it shows you that sometimes they're not as hard as they look. They are actually quite simple. So, anyways, you guys, sorry about that mess, and I hope that this was slightly comical for you at least, but that's how you balance chemical equations, like a beast. All right, I'll see you guys in recitation this week. Later.